Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace an AC compressor. First, ensure your vehicle is off and cool. You'll need to safely evacuate all refrigerant from the AC system using proper equipment. Next, disconnect the negative battery terminal to prevent any electrical issues during the process. Finally, gather all your necessary tools, such as a set of wrenches, a vacuum pump, and a new compressor. Now, let's get that old compressor out. Begin by disconnecting the electrical connector and the two refrigerant lines attached to the compressor. Be prepared for any residual pressure. Next, locate and remove the mounting bolts that secure the compressor to the engine block. There are typically 3 or 4 bolts. Once all bolts are out, carefully maneuver and remove the old compressor from its position. With the old compressor removed, it's time for the new one. Always install new O-rings on the refrigerant lines to ensure a proper seal. Carefully position the new compressor into place, aligning it with the mounting points. Insert and tighten all the mounting bolts securely. Finally, reconnect the electrical connector and the two refrigerant lines, making sure they are snug and leak-free. The final steps involve preparing your AC system for operation. First, use a vacuum pump to evacuate the entire system for at least 30 minutes, removing all air and moisture. Then, recharge the system with the correct amount of refrigerant, typically around 24 ounces, according to your vehicle's specifications. Test the system for proper cooling. Also, check the description for a link to Darn Tough socks and other great deals to keep you comfortable while working on your vehicle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.